Hello, this is Zoe Bray Cotton, creator of international follow-along yoga fitness systems for women, such as Yoga Burn. And as I'm sure you're probably aware, yoga is best known for helping you de-stress, relieve tension, gain flexibility, boost immunity, manage your weight, and many women even swear it helps them become a much happier, healthier, and more vibrant person. And I'm one of those women, which is why for so many years I've become so passionate about helping other women all around the world get the most out of their yoga practice and experience all of these amazing benefits to the fullest. Yet, I have to tell you, surprisingly, the unfortunate reality is that most women practicing yoga that I've met over the last few years are rarely experiencing any of these amazing benefits, or at least nowhere even close to the degree they'd like. And there are some apparent and problematic reasons for this, yet none more obvious than the jam-packed, generic, and watered-down yoga classes full of misinformation that are often being taught by well-intentioned yet very underqualified instructors. You see, with yoga's rapid rise in popularity in recent years, big gyms and studios started seeing huge dollar signs, which has resulted in super fast-track yoga accreditation courses and the rapid hiring of relatively inexperienced teachers to meet this ever-growing demand. And unfortunately, this has ultimately led to many women falling victim to not only a lack of results, but oftentimes terrible pain and suffering, as the injuries occurring per year from yoga are now at an all-time high. And although it saddened and disheartened me to see so many women living in this new reality, I've tried to do something very special and positive about it, which is exactly what I'll be sharing with you in this short video. You see, today, I'm extending wonderful women such as yourself a special opportunity to get your hands on the ultimate follow-along from home yoga kickstart kit worth $197, plus 3 surprise bonuses, all for free, so that you have everything you need to experience the very best true yoga has to offer, right from the comfort of your own home, and without risking your health. You see, when I looked back at all of the amazing support I've been so blessed to have received from so many women all over the world, I made it a mission of mine to find another way to give back to this wonderful community that I'm so lucky to be a part of. And I thought, what better way could there be than to pour my heart and soul into creating for women that are interested in yoga, new to yoga, or have just been away from the practice for a while, the ultimate and all-encompassing 1-month follow-along from home yoga DVD Kickstart Kit, jam-packed full of everything you need to maximize your results quickly and safely. A package designed to ultimately have you on your way to finally feeling the incredible energy and vitality of Ashtanga yoga, the body shaping and weight loss support of Hatha and Vinyasa yoga, and the dramatically increased strength and flexibility of Iyengar yoga. An ultimate yoga kickstart kit that teaches you how to correctly and fully maximize the stress-reducing, health, and anti-aging benefits of restorative yoga, along with the calming spiritual clarity that can only be realized with Kundalini yoga and advanced meditation techniques. Speaking of restorative yoga, it's one of my absolute favorite styles of yoga that I simply can't do without because of the amazing health and emotional benefits this relaxational style of yoga delivers. Just a few of the amazing and most common benefits you can expect with the restorative yoga you'll be learning inside of your Yoga Kickstart Kit include things like improved circulation throughout the body, including major organs, increased energy and flexibility, significantly improved quality of sleep, vast reduction of all forms of stress and anxiety, dramatically improved healing and recovery of both body and mind, enhanced focus and concentration, noticeably improved posture, and an overall sense of well-being that simply radiates pure positivity. Trust me, I've made sure this free follow-along Kickstart Kit has you covered every step of the way when it comes to this deeply relaxing and totally rejuvenating style of yoga. And I've also got 3 additional bonus video collections lined up for you inside of your free Ultimate Yoga Kickstart Kit that I don't want to completely spoil for you because I think you're going to absolutely love the surprise. However, I will go ahead and share what one of the additional free bonus collections you'll be receiving is all about, while still keeping a few more free surprises behind the curtains for you. Additional free bonus collection number 1 is a video library packed full of detailed and in-depth yoga pose tutorials, which walk you through how to properly execute and feel a wide range of fundamental and advanced yoga poses, while teaching you how to avoid the most common yoga injuries that sideline so many women every single day. Just this collection alone conservatively consists of many months' worth of extremely valuable yoga education and normally sells for $67 itself. And now you'll have this collection at your fingertips for free to help you maximize your results and for any time you want to just learn something new or perfect your form of any yoga pose. And as mentioned, on top of this special bonus pose tutorial video collection, I'm also including 2 brand new special yoga collections unlike anything we've talked about so far that I want to save for a little surprise for when you receive your free gift package. Bonuses that are going to absolutely knock your socks off and leave you scratching your head, wondering how the heck I was able to give you all of this for free. I can't even explain how excited I am for you to experience everything this free Ultimate Yoga Kickstart package has in store for you. I'm so very proud of every single video collection I'll be sending you for free, and I'm super humbled to be offering you the chance to try them all out for yourself and asking you to let me know what you think. I know this opportunity may sound a little too good to be true, but I assure you it's not. This is a 100% real deal giveaway until the limited number of Ultimate Yoga Kickstart Kit gift packages I've set aside to send out for free are gone. And as you can imagine, we're flying through these gift packages insanely fast, so be sure to grab yours now while they're still available. All that's left for you to do to secure your free Ultimate Yoga Kickstart Kit is click the button below, tell me where to send it, and take care of whatever the small cost of shipping is to get the package itself to you. Sound fair enough? Great! So take advantage of this super limited time, very special, no strings attached opportunity right now while you still can, and click the Yes Zoe, send me my free follow along from home Ultimate Yoga Kickstart Kit button below, and I'll be looking forward to hearing how it works for you.